Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you fix Facebook lock profile not showing. So actually there is this feature on Facebook that you can lock your profile and no one can see every status that you post here on your Facebook. So in case that you can't see that or that Facebook lock profile is not showing, what you want to do is to go to that Facebook search bar and then search for lock profile. Once you search this one, then the results will appear below. And as you can see, there is no option or result for lock profile or any instruction that you can do this one. So under settings and privacy, you can't see that option or feature. Even if you go to your home page and go to the search bar and then look for that lock profile again or lock Facebook profile, it would take you to Facebook Help Center. Well, the reason why I'm saying this, it's because this feature is not available in my country. If you want to know these countries which this feature is available, here are the following. And my country is not included here. So what I'm going to do now is to simply exit this part, go back to my Facebook. And on my Facebook page, I have to scroll down and look for help and support. Tap this one and click report a problem. Click OK. And then what I'm going to do next is to simply click continue to report a problem. So as you can see, I'm not creating a report. So tap include and then select profile here. Actually, you can select from any of this, but I want to click profile because I'm having problem with locking my profile. So here describe the issue. And the thing here is that you should attach the picture or the image as a proof that that feature is not showing on your Facebook. So here you can simply screenshot that or you can add or upload from phone. Everything is up to you. So once done, you can now describe the issue like, hello, I want to lock my profile, but I can't see the lock profile option. Then click send. As easy as that. Now you can go back and wait for the customer service team to respond and help you with this issue. Another thing, if you can't or if you don't want to submit a report, you can just simply go back to your Facebook, specifically go to your settings and privacy, and then tap settings. Now, under settings, you will see here an option that says audience and visibility. So if you don't want people to see some of your status or your posts or especially everything about your profile, you can just simply modify everything here. For example, you can click this how people find and contact you and set everything to friends or only me. For story privacy, you can set it to only me or friends. Also for this one, you can see your future posts. You can set this to only me and friends. Everything is up to you. So by that, people cannot see your posts. They can only see your profile, but they can't continue scroll down because they can't see anything on your Facebook profile. Okay, so that's it. It's also the same thing if you lock your profile. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next tutorials.